One of the most essential things to remember as a student is how much money you spend during your studies. Being a student costs far more than it should. Your studies prohibit you from working full-time, yet they cost thousands of dollars every year, owing to textbooks, tuition, and other expenses. As a result, it is difficult to handle money, much alone save money as a student. The good news is that there are several simple methods for students to spend less and save more while still living a fulfilling life. Have a taste for champagne but a beer budget. In other words, you like the better things in life, but lack the financial resources to maintain an expensive lifestyle. It's okay. Most college and high school students are on a limited budget. If not, they are most certainly students who are putting themselves into a debt cycle. That is why, in this video, we will explain various strategies to save money as a student in order to assist individuals who wish to save money earned through part-time work. So without any ado, let's dive into the video and start our first point. 1. Don't make impulsive decisions. This means that when you go out to market, don't make impulsive decisions for buying any item. Instead, create objectives for yourself to save money each month for enjoyable purchases. Alternatively, add an item to your shopping basket and return to it later. This will assist you in determining if you really need to make that purchase. Next step of this list is 2. Never go grocery shopping when you're hungry. This means that if you leave the house every day for school or college, you must bring your lunch with you. Yes, this may not appear to be a successful strategy to you, but every time you buy food from a store, you spend a portion of your money. You can instead satisfy your hunger with the lunchbox you packed from home. This can save a lot of money, and you can notice this applying for 1 month. And if you save money through this, then please leave a comment. This can help other students to understand the value of this strategy. Now move to our next strategy, which is remove the flaws from your life. If you want to be successful in your life, then you have to stop your bad habits. Means that if you spend the part of your income on these things like smoking, drinking, vaping, etc., then please stop and save that money for your future. Smoking, vaping, and excessive drinking are all bad for your health and are really costly. So quit smoking and save money. 4. Always pay bills, fees, or other things on time. This means that if you are a college student, then please pay all your bills or fees on time because you can save a lot of money by avoiding paying late fees or bills. When I was a student, I understood this concept and saved about $50 in the second year of my college studies. Now let's move to our next point, that is 5. Always use public transport to reach your target place. As you know, you can save a lot of money if you use public transport instead of riding a bike or driving a car. You can save a good amount if you use public transport, and this can also help the environment to stay clean. Vehicle maintenance and petrol may quickly add up. The less times you need to use your automobile, the more money you'll save. 6. Live with others to split your expenses. If you want to save money during your college life or school life, and you are far away from home, live alone in a rented room, then always be with your friend with whom you can share all the expenses from room rent to electricity or water bill. This is an effective way to save money during your college life. 7. Go with basic phone plans. While purchasing phone plans, always go with basic plans because you can save good money while choosing basic data plans, SMS plans, or other phone plans. Don't waste your money on buying Netflix plans during your study days. Instead, you can watch those shows on your friend's phone or also for free. Now let's move to our next point. If you are in fitness and want to save money while doing bodybuilding, then you can follow strategy number 8, which is consider a college gym versus a local gym. Means that approx maximum of colleges offer free gym membership for their students, so if you want to save money during your college life, you can take advantage of this free membership. There are plenty of colleges that offer high school students or even children's to do fitness activities at their gyms. So to save money, you can go with campus gyms instead of highly expensive town gyms. Now let's move to our next point, which is sell everything you no longer use or need. Means that if you have old clothes, things that you don't use now, then you can sell them online or offline. There are plenty of websites where you can sell those things that you don't use now. Your old clothes, furniture, or other items can be sold at good prices on these websites if you want to earn money from them. At the end, you can go with this point, which if possible work part-time. 10. Work part-time. This can help you in two ways. You can earn money and save too if you work part-time. Means that if you work part-time, then you can save your money that you are spending in your free time. For example, you can save Netflix money, expensive data plans, etc. You can make money online if you have some skill. Fiverr and Upwork are some freelancing websites that you can use to get clients and then make them regular to pay you. I personally work on Fiverr, and now I have more than 9 permanent clients that help me to fulfill my monthly expenses. That's all in this video, and I hope you like it. Hope you like these strategies and gain some knowledge on how you can save money when you are in school or college. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe and share to your friends to help them to save money too. Thanks for watching.